time. I think she's better than a lot of the people that normally help. Lean your head just up like you would normally. Yep, perfect.
And then chew?
Chew, yes. Chew it really good. Do not swallow whole.
Alright.
You don't want me to
So
get
we
into
are
the
gonna
bed and do the
swallow it
hind
though,
leg.
right?
Yes.
Okay.
Just when you're ready,
Alright.
you take your time. Awesome.
That's good.
Alright, I want you to hold we're gonna give you the cup of water. I want you to hold it
Okay.
and take sips just like you were sitting here
Sitting
hanging
here
out.
and hanging out and drinking something. Okay.
Mhm.
Alright.
Don't chug
Which
it.
one is it? Just water?
It's just water, it's just blue so I can see it. Okay. Jut your chin out for me and say E. Okay, relax. Sorry, that's me. Do you need a cough?
Oh, I just feel the tube. It's dripping down my stomach. Ah! I
You're
feel the
gonna
water.
make me jump.
Yeah, I feel my water dripping.
Okay, just one more like that, okay?
One more drip like
Sorry,
that?
one more sip.
Oh, one more sip like that. Oh.
Uh-huh.
Alright. Alright. Yeah, is there a leak? It's just going right down my chest.
It's probably because we dropped the straw.
Oh. Kylie. Or did I do that? I probably did that.
Listen, blame it on me. Don't blame it on
Ah,
anyone
I don't
else.
blame anybody.
Big accident. Okay,
Alright.
let me just look around,
Okay.
and then I'm gonna come out.
Oh,
We're done.
wow.
Try to cough. Okay.
We did?
Nope, you're fine. My camera got a little bit blurry. Just want one more really good picture. Okay, sorry, last scene. Let's do the one with the N on it. Then I'm done, I promise.
That's okay. What was that? Is this the thick or
This is the
applesauce?
apple juice.
Oh, apple juice. That's
Yeah.
good. Okay, this is the thicker stuff, right?
It is thicker.
Mm-hmm. All right.
Done?
Uh-huh, done.
Okay.
Swallow.
Okay. Just don't want to get down deep in your throat and you swallow again. Okay. So here's the deal. I think we're all good, but I'm going to go slow it down. I'm coming out. And look at the water. Sorry.
Okay.
But otherwise, everything looks good. I think it's just your watery secretions in your throat that's making you do that. But I'm going to go frame by frame, look at the water really quick, and then I'll come back and let you know.
Okay.
So
Right.
it would just be between the water and the thicker liquids. I think the thin liquids are fine. Just want to triple check.
Okay.
In terms of eating, do you want to just have the full liquids like we talked about earlier? Or do you want them to bring you whatever you like and then you can choose? Because the solids, everything looks great. It's up to you, whatever you feel up to eating.
Maybe just not anything real heavy yet. Let me just start. So just some liquids right here. I don't want to go. I'm just not ready.
So the full liquids are going to be like a broth,
That's good. Let me do
applesauce
that.
pudding, jello.
I feel better with my
Mashed
stomach.
potatoes.
Yes. I feel better with my stomach because my stomach